Okay, new stock 26 plate Land Rover Defender 90 hardtop commercial. This is the D250 3-litre diesel, finished in Borasco grey metallic. Very nice specification, this one. Air suspension, jump seat, so 3 seats, jump seat and detachable tow bar. Full MASV black edition pack. Gloss black Defender lettering, upgraded bonnet vents, gloss black front grills, front canards, extended arches. This is a new 2026 colour. Looks absolutely fantastic. We've got the 22-inch gloss black alloy wheels with the Yokohama Geolander tyres. Upgraded side vents, front and rear classic style mud flaps, fully colour coded extended black pack. Black signage panel being the S with the rear spoiler in gloss black. This looks tremendous, one of my favourite colours. New style smoked flat taillights. Got the gloss black spare wheel cover. It's a very hard colour to actually pick up on the camera. It's a very light pastel metallic grey. In the rear, hardtop commercial, so full load space. Air suspension buttons there, and we've also got the factory detachable tow bar. So we've got tow bar, jump seat and air suspension, so really nice spec. I'm going to show you inside. We've got keyless entry, colour coded door handles with the keyless entry button. Full black perforated leather. Jump seat, that's down at the moment into a big armrest with cup holders, power points, and that can be then folded up into a third seat, allowing 3 passengers to be able to sit in the front. 26 model year has a new screen, 13-inch large screen. We've got heated seats, black headliner, 360 cameras, Apple CarPlay, rubber mats, multifunction steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist. Everything you need. These are a commercial vehicle, tax efficient, VAT qualifying. What a great vehicle to run through your business. N1 tax efficient on the logbook. So 3 years Land Rover warranty, so till 2029 you get a year's Land Rover assist. What a lovely Defender. Very nice colour, very nice specification. Give me a call 0777 111 2040. www.ma-sv.co.uk. Thank you for watching.